Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal love reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 1st of December. For those who are incomplete, no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. Keep in mind the roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. If this is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video with respect. If you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Let's start, Sagis, your person that you are in no contact with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. We have the Hanged Man, the Five of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune. Yeah. Stuck, feeling left out in the cold, and surrendering to the divine that someday they will be able to move on completely from the pain that they have encountered because of this situation. Now, somebody is right now in the surrender mode, trying to move on, trying to make themselves feel strong enough to come out of the losses, come out of the feeling left out in the cold kind of energy that they're experiencing from quite a long time now, maybe multiple failures in relationships. But because of this situation, they are understanding the power of letting go and detaching. Even if it is the hardest thing that they have to do, that they ever have to do, ever had to do in this lifetime, they are trying their best to do that and detach and move on completely. Although they are still stuck on the idea of connecting with you, but majorly their energies are leading towards letting go and surrender and moving on from the feeling of feeling lost and confused, feeling left out in the cold, and feeling worthless. Sometimes we all feel like that. That's completely fine. Not worthy of love. That is the right correct term. Not worthless. Not worthy of love. That feeling that they are trying to overcome. I'm really sorry for my word. Worthless. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the moon card, the two of cups, the two of wands, two of pentacles. Sorry, moon, two of cups, two of pentacles. It's like they want to come out of. Wow, suddenly the South Indian accent came out. Okay, anyways, so it's like somebody wants to. This person wants to face their fears head on, and they want to make the right choice, make the wise choice, make the right decision in this direction. They don't want to mess their love life again whatsoever. They are going to choose the person who is going to be right for them with like by all means. Hmm? They don't want to take any kind of decision or make any kind of relationship based on fear only. They want to create a relationship where there is a stable relationship, stable base, and both of you are on the same page and both of you are able to understand like if you guys are meant for each other or not. So they don't want to make any kind of fear based decisions. They want to make their decisions with the with the understanding and knowing that this time they are going to make the right choice. Okay, not in any kind of confusion or not in any kind of up and down and back and forth kind of energies. Nice. Let's see what this person what kind of action, what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 1st of December, Sagittarius. Okay, Page of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, and the Ace of Cups. Okay, so they will try to connect with you, but at the same time, they are going to keep their options for open for new people, new energies, new connections, so that they can understand what is the right one, or like who is the right one for them and who is not that much right. So there are this type of energy from this person's side. They want to remain friends with you. They don't want to be in this enemy kind of energy or I'm never going to see you kind of energy whatsoever. They want to remain in a cordial kind of connection with you, and they want to explore other options and other connection, other people too, along with this kind of energy of keeping the friendship intact with you, if this is making any sense. Right now they want to do this kind of thing, this kind of right now this person wants this kind of energy with you, like where you guys are just friends with each other, and you guys are like letting each other go on an on a romantic level, and you both of you are individually exploring your life in different ways, but still connected to each other. So you can expect communication message, a little bit of a friendly kind of message communication from this person's side, but I don't think this person is going to be like all over the place about you. They are going to be all over the place about new things, new explorations, new people, new situations. But according to the cards, it's like they want to be in a cordial kind of connection deal with you. Guidance here, the Eight of Wands. Talk to this person. If this person is making you emotionally confused, and or if you are feeling left out in the cold, or if you are feeling like you should sort it out with them, but you are like confused or conflicted or whatever is happening inside of you, talk to this person very openly and honestly. If they're not ready to listen to you, write it down, write your feelings, write your energies, be honest with yourself, and keep it written somewhere, and slowly but surely you will be able to understand that your feelings, your energies are sorting itself out. When we write what we feel, most of the times the issue is going to be sorted while we are writing within few days. Trust me, try to do that. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Sajis. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.